and welcome to this month's Facebook Live, where I am going to talk about why having a bookkeeper is a good investment. A lot of business owners try to help themselves. I'm not entirely sure if that's just started, so I'm just going to start again. Not used to this new system on Facebook, unfortunately, for doing lives. So, good afternoon and welcome to this month's Facebook Live, where I am going to talk about why having a bookkeeper is a good investment. A lot of business owners try to do their accounts themselves when starting up, as they want to try to save costs. However, by having a good bookkeeper on your side, helping to keep the accounts up to date and accurate, you are making a good investment. There are a lot of ways that a bookkeeper helps out a business, which in turn saves the business owner money and enables them to grow and achieve their goals. The three main reasons why having a bookkeeper is a good investment are: they save you time, 2, reduce stress, 3, they save money. Having a bookkeeper saves you time. By having a bookkeeper, you can have them process all of the financial paperwork, which in turn frees up your time to do what you do best, which is selling your products or services and your clients. You no longer have to spend evenings or weekends away from your family or your hobbies. A bookkeeper can help to reduce your stress because you no longer have to worry about whether you are entering all of the information into the accounts correctly, or if you are using the right VAT code, or if you have all of the paperwork. Your bookkeeper will make sure the information is entered into the accounts correctly, prompt you to provide the paperwork, and help to ensure that your accounts are kept up to date so VAT returns and tax returns can be filed on time. The bookkeeper will also be able to ensure you know who owes you money, who you owe money to, and what your tax position is. You will then be in a much better position to be able to achieve your goals and grow your business. You do need to play your part, though, by providing all of the necessary information to the bookkeeper on time. You and your bookkeeper are in a partnership together, and all parties need to do their bit. Without the necessary information being provided within the right time frame, the bookkeeper won't be able to keep your accounts up to date in the correct time. You may be thinking, how can I save money with a bookkeeper when I have to pay the bookkeeper? We'll be able to ensure the financial information is entered into the accounts correctly. This can make a huge difference in what you owe for tax at the end of the year. As part of doing a client's bookkeeping, a bookkeeper will reconcile all of your business bank accounts and credit cards, thereby ensuring that all of the transactions are accounted for and not duplicated. We also ensure that items are categorized correctly. I have come across accounts before where things like a transfer of funds from one business bank account to another business bank account has been classed as income. By entering this particular transaction into the account incorrectly, the client would have faced a huge tax bill at the end of the year. However, by correcting the accounts to show the correct treatment for this type of transaction, the client's income was correctly accounted for, meaning the tax bill was lower and for the correct amount. Working together with your bookkeeper can make a big difference in whether you are able to achieve your goals and grow your business. I love helping my clients to understand their accounts and help have a better idea of the financial position they are in. I would like to share with you a testimonial from one of my clients, Chorley Pilates. Hiring Ariana to do my bookkeeping was one of the hardest things I have done to help me stay sane, keep on top of the figures, and free up really valuable time for me to focus on doing a great job teaching Pilates. Ariana takes all the stress and headaches away from my accounting. I no longer need to read and reread without understanding all the HMRC regulations. I can clearly see how my business is doing financially. I know where I am spending too much money for little return, so I spend more wisely and effectively on advertising, marketing, training, etc. Ariana has advised me on setting up savings accounts so that I understand how to grow my business even further. She has kept me up to date with changes in regulations and what it actually means for me personally, my business, and my future plans in terms I can understand and apply my business plan. If you would like to know how I can help your business the same way I have helped Chorley Pilates, feel free to message me or put your questions in the comments and I will try to answer them. Have a wonderful weekend and don't forget to join me for my next Facebook Live in May.